Welcome back. In this lesson, we're diving into Amazon S3. If you need reliable, scalable, secure cloud storage, this is AWS's go-to solution. It's where millions of developers store files, host websites, deliver media, and manage data lakes. Think of S3 as a giant warehouse, organized, secure, and endlessly expandable. You store objects in buckets, each bucket holding files like images, documents, backups, and logs. And the best part? You don't worry about capacity planning. S3 automatically scales to handle as much data as you throw at it. Let's look at what makes S3 stand out. Scalability. You can store virtually any amount of data with S3 all the way to exabytes with unmatched performance. S3 is fully elastic, automatically growing and shrinking as you add and remove data. There's no need to provision storage, and you pay only for what you use. Durability and availability. Amazon S3 provides the most durable storage in the cloud and industry-leading availability. Based on its unique architecture, S3 is designed to provide 11 nines of data durability and 99.99% availability by default, backed by the strongest SLAs in the cloud. Security and protection. S3 is secure, private, and encrypted by default, and also supports numerous auditing capabilities to monitor access requests to your AWS resources. Lowest price and highest performance. S3 delivers multiple storage classes with the best price performance for any workload and automated data lifecycle management, so you can store massive amounts of frequently, infrequently, or rarely accessed data in a cost-efficient way. Common use cases for S3 include web hosting, data archiving, backup and restore, data lakes, and analytics storages. In the next lesson, we'll take a guided tour of the S3 console, create your first bucket, and upload an object just to get hands-on with the fundamentals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.